Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of your prep for today, I want to talk to you about gloves. But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that red button down there and subscribe to the channel, and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these preparedness informational tips that I'm giving out to you guys. Alrighty, gloves. Well, we just covered gloves a couple weeks ago in winter clothing. That's winter gloves. Is that the only type of gloves there are? I guess not. You're right. It's not. There's a bunch of different types of gloves. There are leather work gloves. There are nitrile and latex safety gloves. There's food service gloves. There is gloves for doing cleaning, like those big yellow Playtex gloves for doing cleaning. There are heavy duty rubber gloves for working with corrosive materials such as acids and stuff, and lyes and bases. There are all sorts of gloves. There are shooting gloves. There are combat gloves. There are milking gloves. There are yard work gloves, garden gloves that have the little spiky things on it for digging in the soil. You really need to have a good assortment of gloves because you don't want to be using the wrong glove for the wrong application and wind up getting hurt by it. So take an inventory of what type of gloves you have, what type of gloves you think you need, and what type of activities you want to be using the gloves for. And if the activities don't match up with the gloves you have on your list, add a glove for that activity. All right. So this is going to be a fairly short and simple one, just like that. So check out what you have, what you need, what you're going to be doing, compare it all, and make sure you get what you need. All righty. And that's it for now. So everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Take care.